Hello, beautiful human being. Thank you for joining me for this practice today to tap into the intuition of your body. I'll be guiding you to shift out of thinking mode, out of your mind, and into feeling mode, into your body, where you can then ask your body questions. You can then receive your body's wisdom, its intelligence, its knowing. Your body's intuition can act like a GPS for you in your life. And so it's really useful to learn how to shift gears from thinking to feeling and to really cultivate an honest relationship with your body and what your body is experiencing, because it's constantly giving us feedback about our life and how we are and how we feel about different experiences and people and situations. So please come into a comfortable seat, or you could also lie down if that feels better for you. Feel free to let your eyes come to close. Take a nice deep breath, breathing in. And as you breathe out, just opening yourself to the sacred domain of now. The sacred domain of the present moment, which we exist in at all times, but we forget that this moment is all that we have, and this moment is sacred. So open into this space. See if you can touch into the sacred energy that is here with you. And opening to your whole self. You are more than your thoughts. You are more than your body. You are more than the labels you've given yourself. Can you allow yourself in this moment to welcome in your whole self? Feeling into the grandness of you. And as you do so, stay connected with your breath. Feeling your physical body as well as your energetic body, which expands you and potentially allows you to really grasp the bigness of who you are. And from this expanded state, can you perceive your mind, the part of you that thinks habitually all the time? But from this expanded perspective, can you see that your mind is just a small, small part of you? Noticing where your mind is located. Maybe you sense it in your head, aligned with your brain. And in this moment, as you perceive your mind, what quality is it emitting right now? Is your mind negative and heavy today? Is your mind light and bright and positive today? Is your mind charged up with a lot of energy? Is it busy? Is it lethargic? If you were asked to draw an image of your mind from this big, expanded perspective, what would it look like? What colors would you use? What kind of lines or shapes would you draw? The mind is a powerful tool that we've been given. It allows us to think and plan and organize and remember. Our mind can also help us create and manifest what we wish for in our lives through conscious thought. But our mind can also keep us distracted, and it can keep us stuck in the past. Our mind can sometimes evade potential risk by keeping us in the familiar or in the known safe zone. So we honor the mind. We see it as a tool. We understand how it works. And we also recognize that the mind is just a small part of who we are. And we've also been given this beautiful body that holds wisdom, intelligence, and knowing. So again, from this perspective of your expanded big self, perceive your body. Come home to your body. Remember the value of your body. Just like the mind, your body has messages for you. It may speak a language that is different than the language of your mind, but this language can be deciphered, and what your body has to share with you, the information it wishes to give you, can be extremely useful for how you navigate your life. So take a breath in, take a breath out, and just feel how the breath is moving through your body and how your body is this living, breathing, intelligent vessel that you inhabit while you're here on earth as a human. And in this moment, gently asking your mind to quiet down so that we can listen to the body and the body's intuition. The mind may actually have something to learn from the body that will help it work more efficiently. So with the mind at ease, receptive, and in listening mode, give your full attention to your body. And as you tune into your body, if there is a specific question you'd like to ask, please do so. Or if you have no questions, then we just invite the body to share anything it wishes to share with us in this moment. Staying tuned in to your body, allowing sensations or feelings to emerge and be noticed. Allowing the body to transmit anything it wishes for you to know. Continuing to breathe and just feeling the breath flowing in and out of your body. The mind at ease, attentive and listening. The mind perceiving and taking in information from the body, almost like a student. And your higher self, your big, expanded self, taking it all in. If this is the first time you've made contact with your body in this way, your body may deliver its messages slowly over time. The more you practice attuning to it with the intent of listening or downloading wisdom from it, the louder its messages will become. The channels are now open. The dialogue can now begin between your expanded self, your mind, and your body. When we remember who we really are, and we remember the tools and the resources we have, life begins to flow in a magical way. So returning to your breath again, let your breath be smooth and even. Sense into your body, feeling your tailbone, grounding yourself. And letting yourself reorganize. How much energy do you want to place in your mind, in your body? How much of your consciousness do you want to remain spread out into your expanded big self? Reset, realign, reorganize yourself for whatever's next in your day. Just feel it happening. You don't have to figure it out. It's through intention. Reorganize, realign, reset yourself for your day. And again, attuning to the breath one more time. Just breathe in deeply. Breathe out completely, feeling a sense of gratitude for this practice. And may you bring with you into your day this ability to set your mind at ease as you tune in to your body's intuition, your body's wisdom, your body's knowing. Let it speak to you as you move throughout your day. Thanks for joining me.